In the midst of the world's hustle and bustle, it is a privilege to be able to learn at a science and tech-driven university that is surrounded by green scenery. Having the chance to explore knowledge with advanced resources and expert guidance in an internationally and nationally accredited campus. A place for you to connect globally while staying connected to the root of local heritage. A place for you to discover the beautiful unity in diversity.
A place for you to unleash brilliance. Welcome to Institut Teknologi Kalimantan.
With a geographical location in Balikpapan, East Kalimantan, this campus stands as the sole state institute of technology closest to the capital city of Nusantara. Among the 22 accredited study programs available in various fields, 8 have proudly received ASEAN International Accreditation. All of the learning activities are overseen by more than 200 lecturers and have graduated over 2,000 brilliant minds. Numerous opportunities for collaborative endeavors with scientists worldwide are available, broadening horizons through various partnership programs spread across national and global scales. The unwavering commitment to continuous development and pushing boundaries remains steadfast. It aligns with the future master plan. Imagine being a part of shaping the future with innovative breakthroughs. With 4 main focuses in the research center, knowledge becomes more than theory. It evolves into practical solutions, the driving force behind tangible advancements that improve human life on a daily basis. Equipped with advanced technologies, providing you the liberty to explore, innovate, and excel. Empowering you to cultivate the courage and mindset needed to venture beyond the limits. Imagine being in an environment that also nurtures your individual development, fostering a culture of well-being, creativity, and entrepreneurial drive, pushing every individual to achieve their utmost potential. This is where the visionaries and revolutionaries are made. Ready to unleash your brilliance? Enough imagining. Let's get started.